Hello, my name is Tanesha Washington, and I work in the administrative assistant part of Jim Reynolds Asphalt. Today we're going to talk a little bit about your process when you want to get in contact with us and get an estimate or your driveway sealed or repaired. So the first thing I need you to do is when you call, you will get me and you'll speak with me and I will ask you a couple of things. So just be ready when you call. It'll be your first and last name, your email, your address, and exactly what you think you need done to your driveway so that I can let our schedulers know what to be looking for. Once we get done with our conversation, we can get you scheduled if you need to be there for your estimate, or if you just want it done and you want someone to drive by, that can happen too. So once we do that, I'll let you know that I'll let our schedulers know, and they'll come out, they'll give you a free estimate, walk the property, look at your driveway, get it measured, see if there's any cracks that need to be refilled, and they'll give you their best professional opinion on what you need. From there, within 24 to 48 hours, you will get an estimate from Jim Reynolds. From here, you check the estimate out, see if that's what you like, and if you want to be scheduled, got it, we can do that too. So once you're scheduled on our driveway, you'll meet our crew, and they'll come out and give you the best driveway you've ever had. If you want to get in contact with us and get your driveway done, you can get on our website, jimreynoldsasphalt.com. We'll be waiting for you.